How to group call on Microsoft Teams for iPad. Microsoft Teams offers many impressive and valuable video conference features. Users can host full HD calls with up to 250 members, which includes the ability to share screen and record calls. Users can also host or collaborate on the go using Microsoft Teams apps for smartphones and tablets. Video calling is an essential tool in the modern workplace since employers are more frequently working remotely or from various office locations. Using Microsoft Teams, employers can quickly meet virtually, discuss, brainstorm, and work on documents in real time. To start a call on iPad, just click on the More button from the bottom. Tap on Calls. If you have the Calls button on the bottom, then you can simply tap it. Tap on the plus button from the top on iPad. Now you can make a call. Just write the person name or email. On the directory, you will be able to do an audio and video call. You can add multiple persons. Now tap on the Call button. You can start also a group call from the Chat tab. If you already have a group, just click it. On the top right, you have two buttons, a video call button and an audio call button. You can also start a group call on the channels. Tap on Teams. Now tap on the channel from a team. On the top, we have a call button. Tap on that. A new call has started now. You can now start a new meeting. The system is pretty nice and I love the design. On the call, you will have a button to start and stop the video. You can put audio here on mute. You can share the screen on an iPad. You can share a PowerPoint, photo, video, and screen. Also, another button is Raise Hand. You can show the organizer of the meeting you wish to say something. You have started the call now on your iPad. You can try to use these features to be used to it. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.